Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use virtual desktops on ACER Chromebook Spin 713. To enable virtual desktops on your laptop, you have to press the Show Windows button right here and then create a new desktop by clicking plus at the top of your screen. Name your virtual desktop anyhow, so let's name it Virtual 1, for example, and then just select it. And whenever you want to switch back to the previous desktop and then back to your virtual one, just press the Show Windows button again and select a different desktop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.